Time to watch the little Grom.
You can't with my energy. Cease. I'ma make noise in the street. Please, all that fake love you can keep. With my energy. You can't. I'ma make noise in the street. You can't with my energy. I'ma make noise in the street.
You got it on camera.
I'ma make noise in the street.
Good? Don't look cut up. I'll make a deal with you. If I could do a wheelie all the way down there, then you have to buy merch and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.
I'm a dream when I'm awake, yeah, no time for sleeping. See the magic I can make, yeah, I can make. When my heart's still beating, yeah, we got this sun to chase. So little time to waste, so I won't let it pass.
That's about it. I'll say it counts. It better.
'Cause for a moment I'm alive. Yeah, for a moment I'm alive. For a moment I'ma spend my time feeling like every single thing's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. 'Cause for a moment I'm alive.
Damn it! That's all the Grom's got. It's a fucking turkey! There's the lake! I'm surprised you made it up. Hell yeah. Yo! Get through the mud hole. Yeah! See if I can't do a sit down. Oh no! I dropped her! I wasn't using my foot, I was using my hand. Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. Huh. Right. Yeah, I guess that's true. I'll call you later. I'm recording right now. No idea. I think it's a bike trail.
Well, we have bikes.
We do have bikes, 2 wheels. Continue and don't get caught. What the hell? Dude, no way.
No way, this is so dope. I didn't even know this existed. What? Dude. I'm just going ham on this little Grom, son. Look at this. Oh no, Jake fell. No. Yeah. My phone fell. Thank you. I heard the Bluetooth cutting out and I was like, no. Just don't fall. Yeah, baby. Good luck. Hill climb time with a DRZ and a Grom. I'm gonna try and pass him. Oh no, I'm trying. Oh, I did it. No! I overshot the jump! I overshot it! Yeah! Yeah! Lean back! Solid! Holy cow! Oh! No! Yeah!
There we go.
Those tires did not like it.
Look at this. You can't even tell that's like 50 feet down.
Holy cow.
All the way from here. Basically just, that's the smoothest.
Come down this way?
Yeah, just don't fall left or right.
Got it, dude. Foot down, turn it around. I need to get good at that in third gear. Oh, I'm not worried about it.
I was trying like,
That was the most slow motion fall I've ever seen.
there was so much going on in my head.
You were just like, no, no, no. The bike was going everywhere and you're just holding on to it.
I was.
go, baby. I was gonna stop you. There was just gravel there. My bad. Insurance and registration. Dude, that one was good. As soon as I got off your bike, I hopped on mine and I was like, I got this.
Rev it out and then drop the clutch and then hang on.
Okay. Hola. How are you doing?
Sitting down.
Oh. I don't know if this is gonna hold me, but we doing it. I love doing stuff like this. Oh! Nope. This is so fun. No rear brake. No rear brake. No front brake. Oh, the front just fell out. Oh, my bike stalled. I put it into gear too high. That was tragic.